guys, there you are. I once again welcome you all to my channel Abbot Academy. So this time we'll be dealing a very important topic, that is all the derivations of Bohr's atomic model. So basically in the Bohr's atomic model we come across the derivation of radius, the velocity of the electron, as well as the energy of the electron in that shell. So we'll be covering all these derivations and in a very easy manner, guys. So please stay tuned on Abbot Academy. So first, let us understand a very important concept. So let us assume an atom. So this is an atom and this is an electron. So here I'm informing you that in this we are talking about a single electron species atom, an atom which contains only one electron. So as we all know that there is a force of attraction between the nucleus and the electron, so that electron is bounded in that shell. Now if there is a moving body in a circular, so this is a moving body in this circular path, so there is a force which acts in the opposite direction and which pulls the body away. That this force is nothing but the centrifugal force. The centrifugal force tries to push the body in the outward direction. Okay, so same here, the centrifugal force will also be acting on the electron. Now it will try to deviate electron from its path, but we know that it doesn't deviate. So can I say that the force So can I say that the force of attraction between the nucleus and the electron is equal to centrifugal force? Yes, I can, because the electron is still bounded on its path, so it should be equal. So now let us understand another concept. So if there are two charges, namely q1 and q2, and the distance between them is r, so the force of attraction between those charges will be nothing but q1 q2 upon r square with a constant k. Now so this is the formula of force of attraction between two charged bodies. Now can you tell me that if I say that the atomic number of this atom is Z, that is it contains Z number of protons, so what will be the charge on the nucleus? Yes, you can tell. It's a very easy. So on the charge on the nucleus will be nothing but Ze. This will be the charge on the nucleus. How can you say that? It is very simple, that if there are Z is the atomic number, so there will be Z protons. One proton has a charge equal to one electron, so Z protons will be have charge equal to Z electrons. So this is the charge on the nucleus, that is Ze. Now so the formula of force will be F is equals to K Ze into E upon R square with the distance between the nucleus and the electron. Now this expression will be equal to the centrifugal force. Now the centrifugal force formula is mv square by r. So this is a very important result that you need to remember, and with this result we are going to derive all the formulas, the radius, the velocity and the energy of the electron. Now guys, we will be deriving the formula of the radius. Okay guys, so if you have the question mark that why is the radius equal to 0.529 into n square by g angstrom, so this video is for you guys. So step by step we'll be deriving all the formulas of velocity as well as energy, and all your concepts will be cleared. That's my guarantee guys. So please stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. So as we all know that mv r is an interior multiple of nh upon 2 pi. Okay guys, so This is the postulate given in the Bohr's atomic model, that angular momentum is an integral multiple of h upon 2 pi. So here v is nothing but nh upon 2 pi mr. Okay. Now we know that kz e square upon r square is equals to mv square upon r. Now just substitute the values of z in this, of v in this. So kz e square upon r square is equals to m n square h square 4 pi square m square r square with an r. Now just cancel r square then r square, m with an m, and just shift this r to that side. R is equals to n square h square upon 4 pi square m kz e square. Oh, it is so complex, man. It is so complex. So how will be this expression will be simplified to this? So basically here, as we know that n square and z, only these two values are the variables. That is, n is the shell number and z is the atomic number of the atom, and h, 4 pi, m, e, k are all constants. So if you simplify this expression, you will get 0.529 into n square and divided by z angstrom. That is the radius of the electron into nth orbit, and angstrom is equal to 10⁻⁻10 meter. So now let us move on to the velocity. So guys, now we have derived this expression. Okay, so once again mv r equals to nh upon 2 pi. Now in this equation, so can we find the value of v? Yes, v is nh upon 2 pi mr. So we have derived this expression with a lot of hard work. So we'll not at all waste it, but substitute this expression in our equation number 1. So it will be v is equals to nh upon 2 pi m into the value of r, it is n square h square 4 pi square m square z e square and k. Oh, finally. So it will be nh upon 2 pi m n square h square 4 pi square m square z e square k. Now it will be go on the numerator. This cancel what? Cancels 2 and pi, single m lefts, so h with an h, n with an n. So v will be 2 m z e square k upon n h. So this will be expression of the velocity, where m is the mass of electron, n is the shell number, and h is the Planck's constant, and k is against the constant. Now for the expression to look beautiful for our eyes, it will be 2.19 into 10 raised to power 8 centimeter per second z by n. This is the velocity of electron revolving in the nth orbit. And if you want to do it in meter per second, you can substitute 10 raised to power minus 2 meter, and you will get 10 raised to power 6 in place of 10 raised to power 8. So guys, this was the expression. Now let us move on to the energy. So now guys, we will be talking about the energy. So guys, if there is an atom with the nucleus and the same electron, and there will be the attraction between the both bodies. Now this electron will possess both the potential energy as well as a kinetic energy, and the formula of the potential energy will be kZe square by r. So this will be the formula of the potential energy. And what will be its kinetic energy? Kinetic energy will be kZe square upon r and a half. Now with these both two expressions, there's something unusual. Can you notice? Yes. Why have you applied this minus sign? This minus sign denotes nothing but the force of attraction between nucleus and the electron. So the minus sign denotes that force of attraction between nucleus and the electron. Nothing much complex. So let us derive how come we come across this expression of kinetic energy. Simple, as we know that kz square upon r square is equals to mv square by r. That was our first equation. So on the basis of this, r with an r, so kz square by r is equals to mv square. Put half on both sides. Now what does this? This is nothing but the formula of kinetic energy. So kinetic energy will be half kz square by r. So from this, the total energy of the electron will be Ke plus its potential energy. So 1 by 2 kz square by r minus kz square by r. So by taking the LCM, we will get minus 1 by 2 kz square upon r. So this will be the total energy of the electron. Now, with this, we conclude two basic statements that the kinetic energy is nothing but the mod of total energy, and the potential energy is nothing but 2 times of total energy with a bracket. Now, as you know that kinetic energy is positive with the same formula, so we have put a mod, and the potential energy is negative but 2 times of the total energy. Now, if you simplify this expression of total energy, you will get minus 13.6 into z square upon n square ev per atom, where ev is the electron volt. 1 electron volt is equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. And if you want to convert into joule per atom, so it will be minus 2.18 into 10 to the power minus 18 n square upon z square upon n square joule per atom. Okay guys, so in this video we covered all the derivations and all the formulas that you need to remember for radius, velocity, as well as the energy of the electron. So I hope that you guys like this video, and if you have gained something from this video, then please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel Abbot Academy. Thank you guys, and stay tuned for more such educational and robotics videos that will be coming to you soon. And here I will covering class 11 syllabus, chemistry, physics, as well as maths. Some videos will be uploaded, so please guys, support us. Thanks once again. We will relieve you from this question marks in your head. Okay guys, so there is a why and how of everything that this channel will be providing you. Thank you guys, in a very simpler manner.